Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Amazon Kindle account. So if you also want to create Amazon Kindle account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure you've installed Amazon Kindle application. It is available both in Play Store and App Store. Launch open Amazon Kindle application. You can see over here Amazon Kindle is opened. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to see the icon for more. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see four options. At first you'll be able to see the option for sign in with Amazon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to another interface. Due to privacy reason it is not being recorded. But there you'll be able to see the option for create account. You can also see the option for sign in. If you already have an account you can directly sign in to your account. But since you want to create account, tap on the option create account. Now you'll have to enter the first and last name. You'll also have to provide your email address and then you will have to create a password for your account. Password must be at least 6 characters. Now you'll be able to see the option for create your Amazon account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now an email will be sent to you. All you have to do is open Gmail application. You can see over here Amazon has sent you an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see an OTP. Memorize this. Go back to Amazon Kindle application. Now enter that OTP. After entering the OTP, tap on the option create your Amazon account and then you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several books over here. You can see over here your account is created. So that is how you create Amazon Kindle account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.